How to turn any render you have into line art in Blender and with simple steps. First, let's paint the scene with one material and let it be white. We can do that from the Override section, so just assign a material there. I do already have a white material, and you can add a new one on any object in the scene, then use it as an override. Next, go to the Add menu, under the Grease pencil, add a stroke, and move it outside the shot. With the stroke object selected, go to the modifiers to add the line art. In the line art settings, you can choose the source as a specific collection or a single object. You can also assign it to the entire scene. Put the layer field on colors, and from the materials pick any color. And since we made the scene white, choose black for contrast. You can after that control the line, thickness, and opacity. We can add another line art modifier to this part and assign to it a different line thickness so that option is also available, but this will make the viewport runs heavy. There's also an option called overlapping edges, and you can use that if you feel some of the edges don't have a clear line drawn on them. Now, if you're looking for a lighter way to do wireframe renders, we did make a video around that using geometry nodes, so check it out. And that's it. Like and share if you care, and see you next time. Stay sharp. Goodbye.